Okay, this tutorial is going to run through how to create a query to meet the requirements of the report, which basically allows you to select a student and then show their minimum and maximum exercise results for all the different activities. There. So first we need to create a query using the query designer, and all the information we need to basically get is in our monthly fitness results. Now I'm just going to add the student ID in the criteria. I'm just going to put in a little message, and then when we sort of run it, it'll pop up a little box asking us to enter in a student ID. Now we need to match up and find the highest and lowest exercise information. Now in order to do this, we probably want to have a few more details about the exercises. So we might need to get, what the exercise is, and maybe also from the monthly fitness tests, in which result it might have actually come from. So let's just add in the exercise name. Let's have a view of what we've got here. So I'm just going to put in one. Students. So then that's so with Nick, he's got all of her results that have been entered in so far. We might want only the complete ones, so we're going to add ones that have been complete. Now we just also need to go and find the minimum and maximum for the two of these. And this is achieved by adding in the exercise result. We're going to add it in twice. Now we're just going to add the aggregate functions, the totals on the top right. And we're going to change one to the minimum, the other to the maximum. Obviously, other things you could do is you could work out an average, which would be a future improvement. Now, because of the way this database is set up, this exercise complete, not all of them have actually been set to yes. So I'm just going to remove that criteria for this one, just so we can get some results. So I'm not going to save at this point. I'm just going to view it. I'm going to enter in that person. So we've got their different categories, their minimum for the lunge, minimum and maximums. Which is for all the different activities. What you might find useful is to basically also add in the units for that. So we can sort of add in, make it a little bit more easy to use for the final user. So we have that query created. So we're going to query find the min and max. I've got that produced. And to finish up, all we do is we run that through the report wizard. Choose the query we want to use, add the information. Obviously you might want to add in people's names. You probably want to do a group by their ID. And then we probably want to sort it by the exercise name, if you need to do any summaries, but there's no real point because you can't exactly summarize these bits of information because they're all distinct from each other. Choose your layout, and we end up with a basic report that shows the information. Obviously I don't need to show that complete option. I want to reformat this, change the column widths, but that is basically a finished report. Obviously if you only wanted to show for all the students, you wouldn't actually need that. Then to search for them, you could do it for whatever. So if I went back and viewed it, didn't put anyone in, just does it all. If I wanted to find everyone,